Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how I make my own homemade glass cleaner, and all the ingredients that you are going to need to do that are right here. All you're going to need to do that is some distilled white vinegar, some clean water, and any drops of your favorite essential oils. I do recommend to add some tea tree oil just because that's supposed to be like a natural antibacterial, and some lemongrass as well. And you're gonna need an empty spray bottle. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and fill the bottle a third of the way with the distilled vinegar, and I'm using a funnel just to make that easier to pour. So the vinegar is right there. Next, you're gonna want to fill the bottle the rest of the way just with your clean water. Once you've filled your bottle with the vinegar and the water solution, you're just gonna go ahead and put your drops of essential oil. I'm gonna use the lemongrass oil, some tea tree, and some lavender for today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just add several drops of the oil to the bottle. So my tea tree oil. And I'm going to go ahead and put some lemongrass in there as well. So I'm just giving it a good shake just to get everything all incorporated and evenly distributed in there. And then we'll test it out. So we're going to go ahead and test out the spray just so you can see how well it works. And when I clean glass, I like to use these blue paper towels. They are for cleaning the windows in your car, but I find that it works really good on the glass and mirrors in the house as well. And I'm just gonna spray the mirror, and I'm gonna clean it for you guys so you can see that it doesn't leave any streaks. And you do smell a little bit of the vinegar, but not to worry because that smell will dissipate. So you can see that it cleaned the mirror really well. There's no streaks or anything left behind. And I just feel like it just gets the glass in the mirror just super clean and shiny. You can also use it on like the inside of like the sink. You can use it to clean the inside of the sink. You can also use it to clean the toilet seat. So like I said guys, it's super easy to make. All you're gonna need is that vinegar, water, and then the drops of essential oil. Like I said, you can use it on glass, mirror, you can use it on tile, on the sink, and on the toilet as well, just to clean the toilet seat. I hope you guys give it a try and that you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye!